Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Collins here. Today for social studies, I want you to think way back to the beginning of the year when you came up to school and Miss Davis and Miss Collins and even Miss Merchant, I believe, passed out some supplies. One of the things we passed out were our Studies Weekly magazines. I hope you still have them. If you do, today I want you to try to find the one that's called Time, and it looks just like this. Okay, I'll put it a little bit closer so you can see it. If you want to pause the video and go try to find this magazine, you can watch the video while you look at your magazine at the same time. Or if you can't find your magazine, that's okay. You can just watch the video. All right, today we're going to talk all about different words that represent time. All last week we talked about the words past, present, and future. Today we're going to add some different words to our vocabulary that talk about ways to represent time. Okay, so if you have your magazine, we're going to go ahead and start. If not, like I said, that's okay. You can just watch the video instead. Here we go.
Can we see time? No, but we can see things that tell us about time. The past is everything that happened before now. Yesterday happened in the past. The present is what is happening now. Today happens in the present. The future is everything that will happen after right now. Tomorrow will happen in the future. A calendar shows us the days, weeks, and months of a year. At school, the calendar tells us when we go on a field trip. Calendars help people plan things. The people in Floresville, Texas, have a peanut festival every October. A festival is a big party.
Now this section is super important because this is what we're going to be talking about this week in social studies. Timelines.
A timeline shows things in order. This is a timeline of today. Write past, present, and future on the lines under the pictures.
So if you have your magazine, you can do exactly what she just said. Under these pictures, this picture says school, breakfast, good night. Which one of these would have happened in the past? Which means it already happened. That's right, breakfast. Breakfast happened in the past, which means it's already happened. Which one is happening right now in the present? That's right, school. Right now in the present, you are in school. And that means which one will happen in the future? You got it. Good night. Tonight, you will go to bed and say good night. That will be the future. Let's watch this quick video all about timelines.
A calendar helps us keep track of days. You probably go to school on the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday and Sunday are days you don't go to school. Put these 7 days together and you have 1 week. If you put 4 weeks together, you get what is called 1 month. When is your birthday? If someone asks that question, what do you say? You might say April 2nd or July 31st or October 24th. The words April, July, and October are the names of months. There are 12 different months. They are named January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Did you hear the name of your birthday month? Every one of those months has about 30 days in it. If a birthday is on September 13th, that means it is on day number 13 in the month of September. If you put 12 months together, you get what is called a year. If someone asks, "How old are you?" how would you answer? Maybe you say 5 or 6 or 7. Your age tells others how many years you have been alive. How many years do you think your teacher has been alive? Probably a lot of years.
So a calendar is one type of timeline that you can see. It puts things in order by time. Now let's watch a quick video all about timelines.
A timeline is a way to write down important things that have happened in your life or in history. You can make a timeline for anything. You can make one for writing down what you did before school today, what you did last summer, or even one for your dog's whole life. Let's start by making one about you. Draw a line across a piece of paper. Next, draw a short line up and down at the beginning of the across line. On that spot, you can write that you were born. You can write down your birthday and what city you were born in. Next, draw another short line up and down and write down when you took your first steps as a baby. Your parents will probably remember when that was. You can keep drawing up and down lines and writing down important things about your life in order of when they happened. You could write down when you were able to ride a bike and when you had your first day of school. Why do we want to make timelines? Timelines can help us understand history better. They can show us when important things have happened. It's easy to see what happened first and what happened last. It's almost like a timeline can be used as a calendar. See if you can think of more ways to use a timeline to write down important things that have happened.
Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed our lesson for the day. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.